Google Sheets is Google's spreadsheet app. It has many different uses, but there are two general ways to get your data or information on Sheets. The first way is to simply type information or data into the spreadsheet. The second way is to collect your information in a Google form, which can transfer automatically into a Google Sheet. Either way, once the information is in your spreadsheet, you can sort, filter, format, or even create charts and tables based on your data. Because Google Sheets is a live doc, you can share the sheet with teachers or colleagues and allow them to sign up for an observation time or input any data you are requesting. Once they have access to the sheet, they'll always have the most up-to-date version of any data entered. Google Sheets could be used for creating charts for data on achievement, discipline data, benchmark assessments, graduation rate, class size, etc. By using formulas, you could keep data current every time one of your data points changes. Using Google Sheets can help you collect, track, and share information quickly and easily. Check out our micro courses on Sheets to learn about the different features you can use for collaboration and productivity.